Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in Canva. It's quite simple, so without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first thing first, let's go to the elements, and let's say I want to put this basketball over here. Put a bit another one, and let's go to the next page and put basketball a little further, and let's add another one if you like, and here like larger. So what you got to do here is as you drag it here in between, you can see this little icon. Let's tap in there, and here let's tap in match and move. So you see what's happening there, what just happened. Yeah, it just went forward. So likewise, let's put the marshmallow over here as well, and you can see what happened. So this is how you add keyframes to Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.